So we're now in the Learning Common, which is going to take on a different purpose this year. Right now, it's just filled with all the textbooks that students will be issued today and tomorrow. And then once all the textbooks are issued, we will be repurposing this space for our staff to use as a staff room. This is really important because the staff have to have some time every day to take off their mask and have their lunch and recharge their batteries. For the last few days, I've been doing my teaching role with the staff as we've been training, and speaking through this mask and trying to project your voice is exhausting. So we're going to make sure we take care of the staff, and this space is large enough for us to spread out. So what are we going to do with the books? We have a fantastic plan for that. Mrs. Craig is going to set up an online system for the students to go onto school technology like Chromebooks and select a book to sign out for themselves, and it'll be signing out just like they were at the library signing out the book. And then once she has a list for a class, Mrs. Craig will put all those books on a cart and deliver them to the class, just like the Bookmobile. So when that happens, the students will still have access to library resources, but they'll be delivered to them during their library time. And when Mrs. Craig is reading stories to students, she'll be reading it in their classroom. And that's how this space will be used until further notice. Now, question might be, what's going to happen to the staff room? I'm going to tell you about that in our next video.